Hi everyone, my name's Paul. I'm from Yorkshire, UK. I had failing teeth for quite a while and I've looked into coming to Turkey to get my teeth done. I've heard a lot of people have been, I know people that have been and had a really good experience. I did quite a lot of research and I came up with Antlara Dental, which to me came up top of everybody. And I came over and honestly, the treatment is second to none. I had 8 implants in total, full crown of teeth, which are amazing, absolutely amazing. The team here are just so professional, you know, and friendly. And if you're ever considering it, I would just do it because there's no pain whatsoever. They make you feel so comfortable and relaxed, and it's just a breeze of a journey. I would recommend it to anybody.